Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start Python course for beginners. So this is our first video, and in this video we will learn introduction to Python. So basically Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Python is used for web development at the server side. We can use Python in websites, but at the backend, we can do backend programming with Python. And Python is also used to create softwares, mobile applications, and a desktop application. You can create any of these. It is used for mathematics and system or web scraping. It is also used for data science and other new technologies. So why is Python? Why we use Python? Python works on different platforms. We can write codes and run Python programs in Windows, Mac, Linux, or any other operating system. It is used in works on different platforms. And Python has a simple syntax and it is very similar to English language. It is easy to use, easy to read, because it has very simple syntax. With Python you can write programs with less lines, fewer lines as compared to the other programming language. In other programming languages you have to write some 4 to 5 lines of code to print any hello world or any other lines. But in Python you don't need to write any Python main class or any function. Just you have to write parent function or parent line in Python and you can run that program. It has very simple syntax. Python runs on interpreter system, and in Python code it can be executed as soon as it is written, and Python follows a procedural way, object-oriented way, and functional way to write programs. So these are the benefits to use Python, because it is very advanced and it has many features. It is very simple and can run on different platforms, and it also follows 3 ways to write program: procedural way, object oriented way, and functional way to write programs. So this is all for Python. Now we install the Python. So for installation and writing programs you have to download the latest version of Python and any code editor. I will use VS Code. So let's install Python and VS Code. Just write download Python and open the first link. So you can download Python and its current version 3.10.2. So download this one and it's downloading. But I will not download this because I have already downloaded. Just I will show you how to install this. So after download the Python you have to install this. So this is a file that you have to download, and must select this one, add Python to path. So must check this and then install. But I have already installed, so I will not install this again. And you have to download VS Code. VS Code download. This is better code editor, and this is my favorite one. It is easy to use and has many functionality. So choose your operating system and download any of them. So if you are using Windows, download user installer 64-bit or 32-bit. So it will automatic download. So this is also downloading, but I will cancel because I have already installed and download this. So let me show you how to install VS Code. So this is a VS Code installer that you have to download, and after download you have to open this to install. And next, and you can also create a desktop icon for VS Code and click on next, install. I have already installed this, but let it be installed again. So after the installation of VS Code, you have to open this. So this is VS Code, and in the VS Code you have to install a Python extension. It is very important to run Python programs in VS Code, so you don't need to use any CMD. You can run Python programs in this one, VS Code. So this is the extension that you have to install. So if you search here Python, it will come at first, and click on install, but I have already installed this one. So after installation of this Python extension, now you are ready to create Python programs and run these. So that's all for today, and we will learn more in the next videos.